So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clone Zangi app or how you can use multiple Zangi accounts. So if you want to run multiple Zangi accounts on just one device and one phone, you can use built-in system app cloners or third-party parallel space tools. So if you're using an iOS, you will need a third-party cloner app. So you'll need to download the parallel account. So if you have just one account here, to use third-party dual space tools from your app store, or you can manually log out and switch accounts. So you don't have native support for true app cloning or running two simultaneous instances of messaging applications like you do on Android. But if you want to clone your Zangi app and Zangi accounts, you will have to use a third-party dual space tool or manually log out and switch accounts. So on here, if you go to dual space, you can find a couple of different clone apps, so you can use multiple accounts for Zangi as well as some other accounts that you want to use. So it's really useful to have that if you're using an iOS device. If you're using Android, you can actually access it like that. So you can use third-party cloner apps or you can use manual switching, but that wouldn't actually be using multiple accounts. It'd just be logging out and using a different one. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Zangi or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.